Good morning, children. Today we are performing another experiment of class 12 biology, and it is collect water from different water bodies around you and study them for the pH. So you have to collect water sample up to different sides of your surrounding and study them for the pH. So for this one experiment we require some material to perform the experiment. So our basic requirements are for this experiment. Basic requirement, the water which we have collected from the surrounding, and it is the pond water. Second requirement, we have collected the water sample from the drain water. So we have collected the two sample. It is from the drain water and another it is the water sample. Then other requirement is pH paper. It's very important. It is the pH paper, and this pH paper is used for the know the pH of the collected water sample. So it is pH paper. Then we require some test tube. So we have the test tube now. So basic requirement to test the pH of the, to know the pH of the collected water. So water sample, pH paper and test tube. Now the after requirement, procedure. What to do, how to do this one experiment. So it is very simple experiment. First you have to take the water sample. This is the water sample we have collected from the pond water. So we have to take this water sample. Before taking the water sample, we have to stir this one water sample properly and take the water in one test tube. It is the water collected from the pond. Then second sample of water, it is collected from the drain, and we have to take this one also in small test tube. So boiling test tube can be used, or small test tube can be used for the taking the water sample. So I am taking the boiling test tube, not big one test tube, and in this one is the pond water. It is pond water and it is water collected from the drain. Now we have to take the small strip of the pH paper, and this pH paper strip is this. I am having the one strip of pH paper. Other strips is this is the strip of pH paper. Then one strip of pH paper we have to pour in the water, this line. And we have to keep this one for some time. In another drain water sample, I have to keep this one. We have to keep this one pH paper, and we have to keep this one also for few minutes. 3 to 5 minutes we have to keep this very simply. Or just you pour the pH paper and then you can take out. So while taking out the pH paper, some colors comes in the pH paper. So this one is the first pH paper from the sample 1, and this is the another pH paper of the sample 2, it means pond water. And we have to keep this one for some time to dry up the pH paper. So once the pH paper get dry, then we will measure with the help of pH scale. In pH meter, pH paper, there is a pH scale where 1 to 11 pH value is given. So as soon as this one pH paper will dry, then we will match with the pH scale. So once we will match with the pH scale, after some time we will match this one. So before that we should come to the another important thing, and this procedure. What we have done in this procedure, we have collected the water sample from two different resources, from water body, and one from pond water and another from drain water, and then we have taken them in the test tube, and then we have poured the pH paper in it, and then pH paper we have taken out immediately, and this pH paper we have kept for the dry. Now we have to prepare observation, and this observation we have to make such type of column. Serial number 1 and 2. Water sample, we have taken sample A is from pond water and sample B is from the drain water. So now we will measure or we will match the color of the pH paper with this scale paper. So this is the water collected from the pond water. So when we are matching the pond water with the pH scale, and it match with the 8 pH. So this pH of water sample is 8. Then drain water, when we are matching this one with the pH scale, so this drain water it match with the 7 pH. So the 7 is the pH of the drain water. So thus we have taken the measurement of the pH of pond water as well as drain water. Observation is the pond water pH is 8 and drain water pH is 7. It means the pH of the drain water is less. It means drain water is a polluted water. It is polluted water. After this observation, we have to know about the precautions. We have to take some precautions. Number 1, take clean and dry test tube. Clean and dry test tube should be taken for the experiment. Dry pH paper before comparing the color with color scale. So the pH paper should be dried properly before comparing with the color scale, and match the color carefully and determine pH accurately. So this is the measurement of pH by the pH paper. Sometimes we can use the pH meter, electronic pH meter also, to know the pH of the soil. So it is all about the process of how to know pH of the collected water. Thank you.